Best barber, you know. What your name is again?
Call me Big Cat, nigga.
Tap in with Big Cat, get you right for the low.
Yeah, show the cut, nigga.
Can you put it down a little bit, please?
Show the cut, nigga.
My fault.
I called it late. Is that a beam on his? Is that like a beam on his head? Man, come on, man. We gotta stop, man. For real. For real. You gonna point it at him to shout you out? That's extreme. That's extreme. I like the skit though. I like the skit. You know. I'm pretty sure you get anybody to say whatever you want to say if you gotta. I'm assuming it's a gun pointed at him. I mean, I guess it's whatever we can do in the industry right now to set ourselves apart, right? As hair care professionals, as barbers, as stylists, anything to get people to tune in and see that you in the industry. When your barber's a YN. I'm gonna tell you right now, if this was a real skit, like if this was a real thing, that'd definitely be my last time going. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Come on now. This ain't even like real life, like in business. You'll lose so much clientele and customer base doing something like that. Matter of fact, that's actually illegal. That's actually illegal. You know what I'm saying? At this point, it look like you holding this man hostage. Y'all let me know down below what y'all think. Y'all let y'all barber do that? Y'all let y'all barber just pull out the tool and point the beam at you to make sure you can get a picture, or he could post you on his Instagram. You know, let me know down below. It's FadeMasterLos.